Hey everybody, this is a quick little math tutorial about how to find the median value of a number set. Okay, so first thing, follow me, come over here and grab a pen. Pick your color, it's up to you. Okay, so to find the median of a number set, what you have to do first is you have to take the numbers and put them in order from least to greatest. So notice we have 6 values here. We have 25, 60, 10, 35, 2, and 66. So we have to first put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, so I'm going to start off with 2. That's our least. Cross off 2. Then it looks like followed by 10. And then we have 25. And then we have 35. And then we have 60. And then we have 66. All right, now notice because we have 6 different digits, okay, our median value is going to be between these two numbers. So what you have to do is you have to find the mean or the average of these two middle numbers, okay? So to find the mean, what you got to do is you got to add up the digits. So 25 plus 35, okay? And then take that number, we're going to divide it by 2 because we have 2 numbers. So that's going to be a 60. And 60 divided by 2 will give us a median value of 30. And there you go.